Did you spend more than $450 in repairs on your heating or cooling system in the last 12 months? If so, no matter who did the repairs, call me and I will discount a new heating or cooling system by the amount you spent on those repairs. Yes, you heard it right. You will receive an instant rebate up to $1,000 on a new system. Call me for the details. I'm Dan, the General Manager of Comfort Plus Services. ComfortPlusServices.com, 866-950-2653, ComfortPlusServices.com.